dear West Virginia. Mountain Mama. What the heck? Stop it! Take me home. Get out of here! Country road. Wow, would you look at that? Oh my goodness. What do I do now? You know, I thought things would go so differently like 2 months ago too. They're just crazy. They're so crazy. I feel intoxicated, but I'm not. I am glad I could be here for this. I was going to be really mad if this happened when I wasn't streaming. Let's see.
This right here is precious. I love this and I will protect it with every fiber of my being. If you